Hello, my name is Matthew and I'm going to show you how to fix the light bulb in your fridge. As you can see, we have a fridge with no light, so it's straightforward to fix. So first of all, before you start, always best to check the actual switch is not stuck in an off position, so that you can actually then actually fix the problem in hand. The fridge is still cold, but there is still no light. Okay, let's start. When ordering your correct light bulb, it's always good to look for the right model. So one place to look is across the top, so it's a Classixx, but this is not the model number. A great place to look is actually on the inside, if not down the side of the fridge, but actually most actually start behind the tray. And as you can see in here, you will see that the model number is written here, a KGH33V00GB. And that is the same for most fridge freezers. Okay, before you start, it's always good to make sure that you've got a good enough room to access the light bulb. So this does mean removing some of the shelves, which gives you a good chance to actually give it a wipe out. And before you start working, it's always good to switch off at the mains, just to make sure there's no problems. It's always good to check to see if there's any screws that are required to be removed. In this model, no, so we should be able to just remove it. Just clips off like that. Now that you see the bulb, these will just easily unscrew. Just be careful because it is glass. You've got the bulb. So I've been online, ordered my replacement bulb, and I compared my original bulb when ordering it to make sure that I've got the correct model number and the correct wattage, which is important when ordering the bulb. There we go. I won't worry that they're a different shape, it's just that they've been made by a different manufacturer, but should do the same job. So now go into the fridge. And just screw in to where it was before. Make sure it's tight but not too tight, because remember it is made of glass. Get the cover, again handy, this one just clips on just like that. So cover's back on. All I know how to do is turn it on. Flip the switch and voila, we have a light. Done. Bye.